Hey guys, today I'll show you how to record audio as an MP3 file using OBS without recording a video. First, open OBS Studio and click on Settings. Then go to Output and change the output mode to Advanced. Next, open the Recording section and change the recording type from Standard to Custom Output, FFmpeg. Scroll down until you find Container Format. Open the drop-down menu and change the format from the default option to MP3. After that, check your file path to make sure your recordings will be saved in the location you want. Once everything is set, click Apply and then OK. Now, make sure you have a scene set up and that your desktop audio or microphone is configured correctly in OBS. Click Start Recording. OBS will now capture your selected audio without creating a video recording. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. Then open your recording folder and you should find your latest recording saved as an MP3 audio file. And that's it. You can now use OBS to record audio directly as an MP3 file.